Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to understand the concept of string builder class in Java. String builder is used to create the mutable strings, the modifiable strings. In Java, string object is immutable. When you create a string, it cannot be modified. Now let us take an example to understand this concept. Let us take a string str1 is equal to say just I, and then let us perform some concatenations on this. Say str1 is equal to str1 plus like, and let us do another concatenation. Say str1 is equal to str1 plus java, and let us display the output for str1. So when we run this program, in the output we see I like Java, which is fine. We are concatenating I, like, and Java. So this is what we are going to see. And you might say in this case we are modifying this str1 in these two steps, but that is not true. str1 is just the reference type. Over here it is referring to the string object I. Over here it is referring to a different string object. And in the last step it is referring to the string object that is I like Java. So the string objects which I'm talking about over here are these, the I like Java. When a string object is created in the memory, it is immutable, it cannot be modified. So what happens is, for this simple concatenation operation, what if I tell you that Java creates 5 distinct string objects in the memory? For this simple operation, Java creating 5 distinct string objects. What are they? I is the first one, then like, then there is another one that is I like, then there is another which is just Java, and then there is the last one that is I like Java. So in the memory you see these 5 distinct string objects getting created. Now imagine a situation where for your application you need to do a million concatenation operations. So Java is going to create a million string objects, and which can hamper the system performance to a lot of extent. But understand that when we create a string in Java, it is immutable, it cannot be modified. If you concatenate it with some other string, then Java creates a new string object, and so on and so forth. Now to avoid this issue of getting new string objects created in the memory, we have a very good class, that is StringBuilder class, which helps us doing the concatenations without creating all those added string objects. The way it works is, let's create the object of the class. The way we create object of any other class is by simply declaring the object with the class type, that is string builder. In this case, string builder sb1 is equal to new string builder, and initially I'm going to say I inside that, and then we have a method that is called as append, which we can use for concatenation. So I'm going to say I and like, and another append with Java. And when we show the output of sb1 object, it is going to say the same thing. The output will still say I like Java, but in the second example over here, it is not going to create 5 string objects, 5 distinct string objects. It is going to just have one sb1 string builder object, and we are going to save a lot of string objects getting created in the memory when we have concatenation to be performed a lot of number of times. Okay, so that is the concept of string builder. String builder has a lot of different methods which we will see in next session. Some of the methods are same as that of string object provides. There are some methods which are new, which are advanced to string builder, like delete method or reverse method, which are not available with the normal string object. So let us see those methods in the next session. Thank you so much.